Boys and their toys. Okay, this is my second Arduino project that I'm doing, and this one is called the LoveOMeter. It's called the LoveOMeter because the way that it's going to work is that there's a temperature sensor on the board, which is this little black one over here, and what it does is that when the temperature increases on that sensor, it will cause the voltage to rise up. And what this is connected to with this green cable, and then it goes onto the Arduino strip it's an analog. You can see there it's an analog input. So basically, as the temperature changes, the voltage across this pin over here is going to change. And then what we will do is, there's a couple of LEDs over here, and depending on the temperature, as it rises, we're going to light up one of those LEDs, and as the temperature gets higher, a second light will light, and then once it reaches the maximum over the threshold, all three of the lights will be raised. Just to show you what's happening, I'm going to hold the sensor now, and as I hold the sensor, it's going to start lighting up. The temperature will increase. There you go, there you see it, there you see it. Okay, there we go, it's coming, and there it's crossing the threshold, it's battling. There you go, all lights are over. And over here we can see the output of the program. It's running there. You can see that it shows the sensor value, then it shows the volts that's across the pin, then it shows the degrees of that pin. And now I'm going to let it go, and you'll see that the temperature will start dropping. You see it's sitting at about 26, 25, 24. You can see, and now it's dropping. Then just the one light is on, and as you see, the program's running, and it's dropped onto 22 volts, but as soon as it gets over to 20 volts, then that last light will turn off. And that is achieved by reading an analog pin to get the temperature, which converts into a voltage, and then depending on what the voltage on that pin is doing, we're controlling the Arduino chips to turn the LEDs on and off. You can see it's getting to about 21. It's going to take a bit of time for it to get down to below 20. And in the meanwhile, you can see the code which controls this program. It's all done via a computer program. There you can see when the temperature is less than the baseline, all of the switches are off. Then when it is above the baseline +2, it turns on the first light. And then we get when it's above +4, turns on 2 lights, and then +6, we got all 3 lights on. And then there's a bit of configuration with the program. We're setting up a serial port, which gives the output on that screen, as I showed you just now. It's the output coming from that Arduino chip. And then we're able to configure the pins. We first of all set from pin 2 to pin 4, we configure the mode to be output, and we configure digital write to turn off all the LEDs. And then for the loop section, we read the value of the sensor, and we print out the value of the sensor, and then we calculate the voltage on that pin, then we print out the voltage, then we print out the degrees, and we convert the voltage into a temperature by using this formula over here. Then we print the temperature, and then we do the calculation whether to turn the LEDs on or off, as I described earlier on. And that's it. So that's all for now from Boys and Their Toys. Hope that you have a great day. And there you go, you can see the LED is now off, and our temperature is sitting below 19, 18. There we go. There we go, that's all for now. Have a good day.